So if you're watching this video and you do not know what AI marketing is, you have probably just stumbled across one of the greatest videos that you were ever going to watch this entire year, and it's going to change your life. So I'm just going to get right into it. Everyone, my name is Richard Stocks. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be covering AI marketing once again. The very first video I made on this channel was about AI marketing, but I'm going to show exactly how to set it up step by step. I'm going to make my own bot myself and put in the $50 gift certificate so I can show you exactly how you can start making money for free, no experience required, passive income. It really is as good as it sounds. You don't even have to put money in of your own, and you can start making money for yourself. It's really this good. Guys, if you enjoy any content I post on this page, please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into it. So as soon as you click the link in the description below, it'll bring you right to this page right here, the IMB network. You just want to go down and click on the register now, and it'll have the invite link right here, and you just want to type in your name, your surname. So I'll just do that. Type in your email. I've already had it right here. Just type in whatever your email is, and then do your password and confirm your password. Oh. And I'm not a robot, register now. This will now open up your IMB network account, and you'll be brought right to this page right here. Nothing on here you have to worry about. Just right up here on the top left, you want to click AI marketing, and that'll open up the actual AI marketing APY. It'll open in Russian, do not panic. Right up here in the top where it says, are you? Click it, click English. There you go, page is right in English. Click sign in / sign up. Wait for this little screen here to load, and you want to click on this blue brain right here over on the left, and then you'll have your account. So click on the account you have created, type in your password, click I'm not a robot, and log in. This will log you in right into your IMB network, where you can have you can start logging in and actually making some money with your AI marketing bot. So once this opens up right here, you'll see my advertising. It'll tell you welcome to the online trading world, and then you can have your name. So I'll say my name. You can just have this kind of whatever you would like it to say. Introduce myself, and right here you can say just whatever. You can click get access. This is, you don't really have to worry about this. This is for offline shopping, so you just go back and click on my advertising, and you'll be brought right to this page right here where you will have your AI marketing bot. Sometimes you have to watch a little intro video. It's actually very good if you get that intro video, because it's good to watch. Teaches you how AI marketing actually does everything and how you're going to make your money. But once you watch that, you'll be brought to this page right here. Right now, the automatic $50 is already in the ads balance, and this will probably be in my bot very soon. Even if I refresh it, it might be in here soon. Not yet. So it might take up to 24 hours to get your money in here. But if you open your account and the $50 is not in here, or all you have to do is go down and click on the top up section. Right in select method, there'll be a gift certificate option right here. You click that, and I'll have a gift certificate in the link in the description if it does not automatically give you your $50 with the invite link. It most likely should, just because it did with mine. But if it doesn't, that's all you have to do. Just click on top up, select method. The very top one should say gift certificate. You click that, and I'll have a gift certificate link in the description. You can get your free $50. As soon as that happens, your money will go from your ads balance into your advertising budget, and that will switch and actually make you some money. Now I'm going to log into my actual bot I use right now to show you how much money so far I've made using the bot for maybe about a few weeks. So as I log into my bot right here, you can see it says status at work. My cash back is $187. My advertising budget is $119, and the profit is a little bit bugged right now because I'm up a lot more than 55%. But you can see it kind of has these up and down spurts where I'll earn a lot of money, and then it'll go down. I'll earn a lot of money, and then I won't earn the next day, and maybe the next day it'll be kind of slow and then dead, and then I'll make a lot of money. It kind of just goes up and down. It's just all passive, so it doesn't really matter anyway. I'm happy I'm making money completely passively anyway. But so far you can see my cash back's $187, and I've put in $119. I've actually only put in about $60 because you'll get $50 for free. So my profit on this is huge. And you can see right now this is $49.34 is my actual profit. Like, that is my money that I have right now. I can do whatever I want with it. And this $147 pending is just what I have to wait for my sales to finish rendering, I guess I could say. So I'm going to go down. If I click on sales right here, you can see exactly the date of the sale, the aggregator the sale was from, how much the sale amount was, the cashback rate, how much money I'm going to be getting back in actual dollar amount, the deduction from AI marketing because they have to take a bit of profit for themselves, how long I have to wait for this money to get into my account, and then the status of the sale. So it's really, really transparent with exactly how you're going to get your money from each sale that you have. You can even click on stats. It tells you how many views your ads have gotten, how many visitors your ads have gotten, how many sales you've gotten, your advertising budget, how much money your bot has spent on ads. My bot's actually almost spent all of my money on ads, so it's time to do some reinvesting. And then the profit, which right now mine is bugged for some reason. I think it's a common error with the profit percentage looking bugged, but it's not actually bugged. And then your actual cash back. So you can see even right here, 50 views, 13 visitors, 2 sales. Made 31, or the sales were $31 and my cash back was $2. You might say that's a very low amount of money. I made this while I was sleeping, so I do not care. Even look at this one, $11. Made that while I was sleeping, which is fantastic. I love this platform. The way you can make money on this is just so easy. Like, people are sleeping on this. This is such a good opportunity. Like, you can put in the $50 gift certificate, which is free. And that's it. You can just see how the platform works for you. If you want to put in more money, you definitely can. You can even look at some profit results I had in the beginning of this video. I'll actually bring up one right now that really blew my mind. This guy is making insane money. Yeah, he put in a lot of money, but look at how much he's making. This is crazy returns. It averages around 65% per month. Mine's actually got a lot more than that, even though right now this profit is bugged. Maybe in like the first week or two when I started, it said like 85% in 2 weeks. That's mind blowing, guys. Like that profit level is huge. So I needed to get this video out because I want to share this this website with everyone to make sure they can start going in on this and making some money. This is basically like automated affiliate marketing. So it just posts ads. If people buy a product from those ads, you get a commission from it. And I've been loving the platform. There's a lot of people who are enjoying this platform, a lot of people who are making money with this platform. So if you want to be one of them, this is exactly how you do it. I made a very, very easy way on exactly how to make an account and set it up so you can start making passive income overnight with this method. If you guys enjoy any content I post on this page, please like, comment, subscribe. It means so much to me. If you have any questions, just say anything in the comments. I'll respond to you as soon as I can. And as always, everyone, happy investing.